guys, so today we're going to be doing a Notion video. I haven't used Notion in such a long time. I made a Notion video a while back doing a tour of what's on it, but it's just so overwhelming and there's just too much stuff on it because I just used a template from that I found on the internet and I just transferred it over, but I don't really like it anymore, so I think I just need a new start. So let's do this. Okay, so this is what my Notion currently looks like. There's so many things going on. I haven't used this in such a long time, so I just need to find a new template that works better for me. This is kind of interesting. Let me click on this. Alright, so here's your template. Let's see what it looks like. I like that it shows the time, the weather in Vancouver, not where I live, but actually that's pretty nice. I like that as the weather. Oh, it has a little calendar. Cute. To-dos. Nice. Little check-in. Actually, that's really helpful. A little about me. Cute. Okay, work. Expenses. Courses. This is super cute. I think I'm going to work with this. I think this is going to be it. So what I have to do is I have to duplicate, I believe is what you do. So you can actually edit it and make it your own. I'm going to just duplicate that into my Notion. I want to use Notion, but I just want it to work for me and not be so complicated like it was before. The paw print's cute. I don't know if I'm going to want that there, but for right now I'll leave it. I like the sheets there. That's nice. I'm going to change your to student dashboard. I'll keep the time there. I think I'll edit the weather thing later. I'm not really sure how to edit this. I might have to watch a video. A little quote. Let me look up good quotes. Oh, this is cute. If you look at the way if you change the way you look at things, the things you look at will change. I'll put that on there. Okay, I got my quote. Alright, so we'll do a little bit about me. Alright, so now I'm gonna get rid of some of these things. Okay, priorities. So far everything is customized. I definitely think I'm gonna change the paw print. It's like moving too much for me, but we're gonna worry about that later. I'm gonna edit this because I don't think this is right. Oh, it wants me to do some kind of sign up thing. So basically what this website was basically allowing you to add widgets to your Notion, which is super cool, and I ended up signing up for it and I was able to add a bunch of widgets like the weather and a life progress bar and a countdown onto my Notion, so it'll be linked down below, and that's what this website is for. Okay, I'm gonna do a countdown widget, and I'm doing a musical right now, so it's Percy Jackson, so I'm gonna make a countdown for days to Percy Jackson. It is so I'm just gonna copy and I'm gonna paste into Notion. Embedded. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. This is like so fun. Okay, I'm just gonna delete that. Alright, cool, fun. Alright, so I just edited that. I'll change the weather later. Okay, assignment and exam schedule. Let's see how this works. Okay, so I'm just gonna change the names of the courses to be my actual name from the courses. Comment down below. Social studies has always been blue, English has always been yellow, science has always been green, and math has always been red. What color do you associate your classes with? I feel like everyone has a different opinion. It's really interesting to hear, because I am firmly believing that math is red, science is green, social studies is blue, and English is yellow. But tell me what you guys think. Tell me if I'm wrong. Okay, so I just edited to be all my actual classes. Okay, so I'm just gonna get rid of all these columns and things. I don't even need any of those right now. And I'm just gonna put in my things. Okay, so I just added in all the assignments that I currently know of, and now I'm gonna go back to the main page. Alright, so right now I'm just going to change the courses. Alright, so I changed these things. I'm just going to get rid of all these random to-do things. Alright, so I just edited those things. Okay, so next up we have work. I like the icon, that's super cute. I actually have some things I want to import here on a Google Sheet that I've already made, so I'm just going to do that and find this Google Sheet real quick. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just filling in some different job ideas for myself, and I'm writing down the advantages and disadvantages in these two columns, and I'm going to change the job position to a link, and I'm going to add in links to applications. Alright, so I just filled out this page, and we're going to go to the expenses page. I don't have any current expenses, so I'm just going to write that down as nothing, and we're just going to leave that blank, and if I do ever have anything, I will update it. Alright, so I think the most important thing is to change this icon, because I can't, it's too much. So yeah, that was me customizing my Notion. Overall, I really like it, and yeah, I'll go link this down below, but it's super good.